Hello everybody, I just want to show off our new updated EVE Bitmap Viewer and why you want to use one of our EVE displays with our little fancy USB to SPI bridge or one of our USB devices. So if you notice, our little software is running right here. I'm going to plug in the USB port, and if you noticed immediately, it detected the USB bridge right here. Now we're going to select the display size we have, so we're going to have a 4.3 inch 480 by 272. We're going to press connect. And if you notice, it's detected a BT816 EVE 3, as well as on the screen below you, you can see the Matrix Orbital logo. That means the software on Windows is communicating with our EVE display. Now what we're going to do is take an image and literally drag and drop it in. That simple. It's literally that simple. Now you can tell that the display is a little washed out at the bottom. That's because it's a 1000 nit display and optically bonded, so it's incredibly bright. It's an incredibly bright display, but I'll show you in a second a little bit more. So other neat things about this is in this little software, it has the ability to set the scaling of it. So right now we're in proportional. We can set it to none. So it's only going to display the top left corner, or we can do it to stretch. Poor little Bagheera there. And let's go back to proportional. So yeah, this is our fantastic little USB to SPI board and the EVE Bitmap Viewer to help you see that your display is working, that the communication is working. It's a peace of mind, great little utility for when you're developing with the EVE platform. Thank you.